Welcome to Wardy's Works again. Today we're putting these LED side repeaters on my Defender. We've put LED rear lights on. It's got new LED headlights in it. I'm going to be putting these LED indicators on the front as well. We've just bought a new relay without the side repeaters being on, because this one was ripped off when the wires hit the wheel and the indicators all flash at the same time. So I'm putting these side repeaters on. The issue is that the holes are not big enough, so we've got to use Peter's falcon cutting device to cut a hole in it. So first we've got to get the side repeater out, which is right there. Now these have got something on the back of them. Shall we jam a screwdriver down the back of this? So we've got a pricer off here earlier. I'm going to try and prise these off, like that. They're just into like plastic things, and they come out just like that. Now, oh, we haven't got them on the other side now.
No. We need to cut around them.
Yeah. So now we need to cut a hole out, because obviously these new ones are a bigger size. So what we'll do for that is we use these measuring tools.
Set this in.
Yeah, but it does need to be. Should we cut it the same size? Because the other one was just a.
It's better to cut it the
Yeah,
same
smaller,
size. Just
so don't worry.
file it out a little bit.
So we've used that on there to get that, and then we'll put that along here, marking where we've got to cut width-wise, and almost straight.
Almost straight.
Take it down again, there,
It comes from the other side.
So we'll just mark it like that, and then we'll mark the length of this with the same toolio. So I'll open that up, Judge. Going from there to there, over
We're going.
that way.
You've got it?
Yeah, I got it. So we're marking that. We want to go sort of halfway across there, that way.
Across that clip.
Yeah, that's it. So that's the length we want on it. So we'll just mark that on there as well, which is almost the same as the original. Perfect. And then we're going to use, the easiest thing to cut this out with is this, what's it called?
Oscillating tool.
Oscillating multi-tool. So we're going to cut through that, and then we'll wire them up.
That's hot.
There we go. And there is the door. So all we're going to have to do is file these edges off. We have to file it down a little bit because we cut the hole a little bit smaller than it needs to be. Obviously we don't want it dropping out. And then we'll put the lights in and see how we get from there. So we'll just get the file and file the edges. We might have to file it down a little bit just because you've got these little tang things on here. Yeah, have a go.
We don't want to clip it in yet, do we? 'Cause
no, we just, as long as it fits in the hole.
That'll clip in there.
That'll clip in well.
And push on that spring.
Yeah, it's covering the whole hole. So what we'll do is we'll get the old thing that's hanging about around here somewhere. Ta-da! We'll cut the 2 wires off that, connect them to this. We'll have to cut that off because it's for Discovery. Did that fit directly onto yours?
Yeah.
Yeah, so these are actually off Discovery too, and that fit directly into a Discovery too, so they went straight on. But on this, obviously, it's just got this sort of connector, so we're going to pop that out and fit them on. So we've got the wires out. We're going to cut them off and use some of these assorted cable terminal crimp things to put them on. I believe on this side, stupid, don't I? There, got the handle. I believe on this side that the green is live and black is earth. Luckily with a car like this, you ain't got to worry about access.
Luckily we can bring it out here and work on it.
Yeah.
We don't.
You ain't got to worry about access through the wing because you can put your donny up there. Some of these.
Good handy tool, this is.
Shall we put bullets on them or just crimp them? It's worth putting bullets because you never know if you're going to have to swap the things round. Bullet 1.
Yeah.
So if we put bullet connectors on, if we ever got to take them off, it's a little bit easier. So we've got to replace them because obviously LEDs don't last forever. So we'll cut them 2 off there and stick a couple of bullets on them. The other side is going to be a bit more tricky because what happened was the wires fell down from out of where they've been held and hit the wheel and it ripped them all out. Headlights and the lot, so all the headlights and indicators was put back in, but the side repeater one wasn't, so I'm just going to have to wire that back in.
That won't do.
They're too skinny, are they? Yeah. These Chinese wires, and very, very, the scrimp on the steel put into the wire, are they? Is it aluminium as well, do you think?
Yeah, the wiring.
Instead of copper?
Yeah.
The scrimp on wiring. Which makes your bullet connectors not crimp as well, because there are a lot for them to hold on to. Professionalism.
Nice kindling.
Hello. Always works.
When you put these through here, if you can just see the cable in there.
Yeah, at least you know it's got hold of it then.
At least, yeah. Sometimes you just crimp it and all it does is grips the outer casing of the cable.
Did I hear you making another cup of tea, man?
No, I told you what.
Should we
Yes,
try this
please.
before we actually... Or are you going to wire them both up? So next
No,
year?
we'll just make sure this one flashes first. Or first.
Do you want some shop?
Huh?
What's the biggies?
Yeah, we'll have some biscuits.
Look, you can't keep filming me. Everybody's going to want to know who I am, for God's sakes. Marilyn Monroe is dead.
I knew you was going to say that.
Well, I thought if what's her name called Diana Dawes, but now it's really neat.
Is that Georgia Dawes is smile out of shooting stars? Yeah, just get some biscuits, please. Right, ignore everything that just went on. I need the keys, hang on. So, keys in. And flashy. There we go.
Wow.
That was nice, there yours. Because yours was the same, wasn't that? Didn't you shiver?
Yeah. I wanted the ones that go
Yeah,
like that.
And that's what it said there was. But if you buy things from Wish, this is what happens. Yeah, we wanted the ones that sort of swipe from like one side to the other. But those ordered from Wish. How much was they?
There's, I don't know, about £5.
£5 a pair. So it ain't too bad, and they look nice when they're in the hole.
It takes 12 months to get it.
Yeah, yeah. So green is live and black is earth. So we'll pop that in and we'll do the other one.